Welcome, fellow nature enthusiasts, to our captivating YouTube video on nature retreats, finding peace and solitude in remote locations. Get ready to embark on a virtual journey that explores the wonders of escaping to serene wilderness and the countless benefits it brings. Let's kick off our adventure by diving into the incredible advantages of nature retreats. These remote locations offer a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, providing a much-needed break to rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. In these tranquil settings, you'll discover the therapeutic power of nature. Immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of chirping birds, rustling leaves, and gentle streams, as they create a symphony of relaxation and tranquility. Nature retreats offer a much-needed respite from the digital world. Unplug from technology and reconnect with the natural world around you. Experience the joy of stepping away from screens and immersing yourself in the simplicity and beauty of the great outdoors. One of the greatest benefits of nature retreats is the opportunity to find peace and solitude. Leave behind the chaos of everyday life and embrace the serenity of untouched landscapes. Allow yourself to unwind, reflect, and find clarity amidst the breathtaking scenery. Engaging in outdoor activities is another highlight of nature retreats. Whether it's hiking, kayaking, or simply strolling along nature trails, these experiences invigorate your senses and provide a deeper connection to the natural world. Nature retreats are perfect for rekindling your sense of adventure. Explore uncharted territories, discover hidden gems, and witness the awe-inspiring wonders that await you in remote locations. Every moment is an opportunity for new experiences and unforgettable memories. In these idyllic settings, you'll find solace in the simplicity of life. Embrace the slower pace, free from the demands and distractions of modern society. Allow yourself to be fully present and savor the small moments of joy that nature offers. Nature retreats are a gateway to self-discovery. As you detach from the noise and busyness of everyday life, you'll gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the world. Use this time to reflect, introspect, and reconnect with your innermost thoughts and desires. Escape the confines of city living and immerse yourself in the pristine wilderness. Breathe in the fresh, crisp air and let nature's beauty captivate your senses. From majestic mountains and lush forests to serene lakes and picturesque landscapes, nature retreats offer a feast for the eyes and a balm for the soul. These remote locations provide a perfect opportunity for wildlife encounters. Witness the grace of a deer leaping through the woods, the majestic flight of an eagle, or the playful antics of otters in their natural habitat. These encounters remind us of the incredible diversity and beauty of the animal kingdom. Nature retreats provide a reset button for your mental and emotional well-being. Leave stress behind and embrace the calming effects of nature. The tranquility, fresh air, and scenic views create a nurturing environment that promotes relaxation, reduces anxiety, and enhances overall mental clarity. Immerse yourself in the healing power of nature. Studies have shown that spending time outdoors can improve physical health, boost immunity, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Nature retreats provide the perfect opportunity to prioritize your well-being and reconnect with your body. Nature retreats offer a chance to disconnect from the noise and reconnect with loved ones. Whether it's a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a group adventure, these retreats foster stronger bonds and create lasting memories that will be cherished for a lifetime. Capture the beauty of these remote locations through photography and art. Let your creative spirit soar as you document the awe-inspiring landscapes, vibrant sunsets, and unique flora and fauna. Share your artistic expressions with the world and inspire others to appreciate the beauty of nature. One of the joys of nature retreats is the chance to indulge in outdoor picnics and campfire gatherings. Enjoy delicious meals surrounded by nature's backdrop, and bond with friends and family as you share stories, laughter, and unforgettable moments under the open sky. Nature retreats provide an opportunity for personal growth and self-reflection. Disconnecting from the noise of the world allows you to reconnect with your passions, goals, and aspirations. Use this time to set intentions, make plans, and chart a course for your future. These remote locations serve as a living classroom. Learn about local flora and fauna, geology, and cultural heritage. Expand your knowledge, engage in nature conservation, and develop a deeper appreciation for the ecosystems that sustain us. Nature retreats inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity. Witness the marvels of nature, from breathtaking waterfalls and towering cliffs to intricate patterns in tree bark and delicate wildflowers. Each moment spent in nature reveals the intricate beauty and infinite mysteries of the natural world. Nature retreats foster a deep appreciation for environmental conservation. As you witness the pristine landscapes, the delicate balance of ecosystems, and the interconnectedness of all living beings, you'll be inspired to protect and preserve these precious natural resources for future generations. At the end of our journey, we invite you to explore our shop, where you'll find a curated selection of high-quality products that enhance your nature retreat experiences. From camping gear to outdoor accessories, we've got you covered with items that are designed to enhance your connection with the wilderness. So, whether you're seeking serenity, adventure, or self-discovery, nature retreats offer a transformative experience that will rejuvenate your spirit, nourish your soul, and create lifelong memories. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we embrace the peace and beauty of the great outdoors.